Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here, welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a new pair of awesome neckband earphones. They're OneMore's brand new launch product, the stylish dual driver Bluetooth earphones. These earphones come with some special features which I'll tell you in this video. So let's get started. The OneMore's new stylish dual driver come in this sort of box packing. They're Bluetooth in-ear neckband style earphones. The box is quite big, you've got the OneMore branding at the top and a picture of the product over here. Let's check out all of its features. It comes in many stylish colors. I've got the midnight black variant, and as I've told you earlier, it's got dual dynamic drivers, has a MEMS microphone, and the best part is it also supports fast charging. The company says a 10-minute charge will give you 3 hours of battery life. Holy moly, that is awesome! I'm really excited to unbox and check it out. Let's see what else is written on the box. So at the back side you've got the specs. The model number is E1024BT, have a built-in 125mAh battery and can offer a continuous music playtime of 6 hours. The impedance is 32 ohms, supports Bluetooth V4.2 and has a range of 10 meters. So those were all of its specs. Coming to the pricing details, the price on the box is $7,499, but here's the deal. Right now this product is in pre-order state and the company is offering 3,000 rupees discount on it. So if you pre-order it now, you'll get it for only 4,499 rupees. The pre-order period has already started and will end by 5th of Feb. So if you guys are interested, the links will be in the description box below. Alright, now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank OneMore for sending me this product for review. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. There you go. The box packing looks very nice, just like the other OneMore products. Let's open the box and see what do we have inside. Whoa, you guys seen this? We've got a lot of art going on over here. This kinda reminds me of OneMore's triple driver box. The drawings on the left tell you the story behind the design of the earphones and also mentions all of its highlights. You can just pause the video and read them if you're interested. And on the right side we've got the stylish neckband earphones. It's available in 2 colors for now, rose pink and midnight black. I've got the black color variant. Let me just take it out. So they come nicely packed on this tray, and below that looks like we've got an accessory box. Let's open it and see what do we have inside. Oh, we've got a lot of stuff over here. You get a carry case for the earphones. Wow, it's a big transparent kind of grey pouch and looks very nice. You got the OneMore logo on it and the build quality is also really good. Along with that, you got a OneMore base sticker, some paperwork which includes a user manual and a product catalog. Just make sure to read them. A USB cable for charging the earphones, and finally a packet of extra earbuds. They come in different sizes. So these were all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the earphones. These new earphones from OneMore have a neckband style design and come in beautiful stylish colors. Let me just take it out and show you. So here they are, OneMore's brand new stylish dual driver Bluetooth earphones. Wow, they look very nice, especially I have to tell you about the design. It's got this new streamlined concept and looks sleek and smooth throughout the body. And this is how the neckband looks like. The earphones are super lightweight in hand, they weigh only around 23.5 grams. You've got the OneMore logo on both the sides and some media control buttons. Alright, what I'll do is I'll just give you a closer look and tell you about all of its special features. The OneMore stylish dual driver BT have a neckband design and are made to offer maximum comfort. The entire body has a soft rounded design that gives it a sleek look, and I just love the finishing on it. Definitely gives a premium feel. The sound chamber is entirely made of ABS material and the build quality is top notch. The quality of the ear tips is also nice, they feel soft and durable. Going down the cable, we've got the neckband here. It's a special shape memory neckband which is also foldable like this for quick storage. And this band is made of a skin-friendly silicone material which feels really soft and smooth. You've got the OneMore branding on both the sides and the media control buttons on the left. There's a volume down, volume up, and a multi-function button which acts as both media play, pause and power. And these earphones also have a microphone on them. You got a rubber flap on the side under which there's a micro USB port for charging these earphones. That's it, there's nothing else on the right side except the OneMore branding. So that was about the design and the build quality. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio. The OneMore stylish dual driver BT are super comfortable for long time usage. They're so lightweight that you won't even feel like you're wearing a neckband. The earbuds also fit perfectly in my ears and the noise isolation was also good. Coming to the audio quality was amazing. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, and I could easily understand all the dialogues. The treble quality was also very nice. It was producing silky smooth treble. And coming to the bass was good. It was not too punchy but had the right amount of bass. On the overall, I was pretty satisfied with the sound quality for the price. The distortion was also minimum even at max volume, and the audio output was also satisfactory. I've told you earlier they also have a mic, right? The microphone quality was also good during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the battery. It's got a built-in 125mAh battery, and on an average I was getting around 5 to 6 hours of continuous music playtime at 80% volume level. And the best part about them is, these earphones support fast charging. It's got a special 3C battery which is capable of 3 times faster charging than the normal ones. The company says a 10-minute charge offers you 3 hours of battery life. That is awesome, right? Super useful for people who are always on the go. So that was my video on OneMore's new stylish dual driver Bluetooth earphones. They're awesome wireless earphones for the price. The build quality is good, design looks premium, are super comfortable, and they also support fast charging. These earphones are right now for pre-order and they're offering a huge discount on the product. The actual price is $7,499, but if you pre-order it, you will get them for only $4,499. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.